Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun, where math is simple, fun, and practical. Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to write numbers in Roman numerals and then how to change Roman numerals to the Indo-Arabic numerals. Alright, these are the stuffs you need if you want to master Roman numerals. You need to learn 1 to 10, right? And then how to write the numbers in tens: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. And then how to write the numbers in hundreds, okay? 100 C, 200 CC, 300 CCC, 400 CD, 500 D, and 600 DC, 700 DCC, and like that, 1000 M. Okay, so once you're able to master this, then you can write your numbers in Roman numerals. Okay, I've made a video introducing Roman numerals, and in that video I've explained why we have 4 as IV and we have 6 as VI, and the same thing applicable to 40 XL and 60 as LX, and 400 as CD, the same thing to 9 where you have IX, 90 XC, 900 CM. Alright, you can do it to check the video in the playlist. All you need to learn about Roman numerals, and that will give you the idea of the addition and subtraction concept in Roman numerals. Okay, so once you understand the addition and subtraction concept, and then you have these numbers, you can write them in Roman numerals, then any other thing can be written with this format I'm going to show you. So to write anything in Roman numerals, first is that you must put it in expanded form. You must write the number in expanded form, and if it's already in Roman numerals, you must handle it from left to right in expanded form. Okay, when we say expanded form, what are we saying? Breaking numbers into their place values. All right, so let's say you have okay, let me start with this 478. So that means you're going to have unit, tens, and 100, right? So that is breaking it down. So if I'm writing this in expanded form, I'm going to write 400 plus 70, 7 tens, and then plus 8 ones or 8 units. All right, so this is in expanded form. So once you're able to do this, all you need to do is to find what 400 is. Okay, so what is 400? 400 is CD. What is 70? 70 is LXX. And what is 8? 8 is VIII, and that is it. CDLXXVII. Alright, that's 478. So writing numbers in Roman numerals, you have to take it in expanded form. Alright, now let's look at the one that is already in Roman numerals, and we're taking it back to the one we are used to. Okay, so we also check we start from the biggest place value. All right, and most times when we are dealing with Roman numerals, the biggest value we could have is 1000. All right, that's the biggest value we could have, 1000. So you check, is there any number or any letter representing thousands here? All right, and then you see the first one is M, right? And M is what? 1000. Okay, so that means you have 1000 there. Okay, plus the next one is CM. So what number is CM? All right, that's 900, right? Then you have X, which is 10, but after the X you have C, which is 100. So you know that you can't have 10 plus, because 10 is coming before the bigger one. So let's say you have even mistakenly written this as 10, and then you got to this point, you saw C as 100. Then you should know that since you have a smaller one before this big one or bigger one, you know it's going to be subtraction. So instead of writing plus 10 plus 100, you're going to do 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10. These I've explained in the first video. Let's check in the playlist the subtraction rule in Roman numerals. So when you have the smaller one before the bigger one, you're going to do bigger minus smaller. So that's 100 minus 10, which is 90. And then if you had actually mastered all this, seen XC, you've already seen that it's 90, right? And then II is 2. So we've written the number in expanded form. So this is 1992. Okay, so 1992, and that is the answer to the number 1. All right, I believe that's clear. So look at the number according to their values, according to their place value. All right, if it's already in Roman numerals and you want to take it to the Hindu-Arabic numeral, check from 1000. All right, and then the 100, tens, and then the ones. Okay, so let's move to number 3 now. So the first thing we have to do, can you tell me what's the first thing we have to do? Write the number in expanded form. So we write 500 plus 70 plus 4, 100, tens, and units. Okay, so what is 500 in Roman numerals? 500 is D. Okay, what is 70? 70 is 50 plus 20, right? LXX. So that's LXX. And then what is 4? 4 is IV, right? Okay, so this number is DLXXIV. DLXXIV. All right, so that's 574. I hope you're paying attention to the procedure. Write the number in expanded form and then find the corresponding letter of the Roman numerals. All right, so here we have Roman numerals taken it back to our numbers. Okay, so we'll check 100, 1000, 100, tens, and units. So can we find 1000 here? Any letter representing 1000, please? No. Okay, we can see 1000 here, but there is 100 before it, right? So 100 before the 1000 shows that we're doing subtraction. And then if you have mastered this, like I said, since CM, you know you're talking about what? 900. Okay, CM is what? 900. Choir mistress or choir master, 900. Then we have LXXX. All right, and that is LXXX. That's 80. 50 plus 30. That's 80. And then you have II. II is what? 2. Fantastic. All right, and altogether we have 982. 982. So in number 5 we have 2025, the year of this video. All right, I want you to write this for me in the comments. So what is 2025 in Roman numerals? And I would like to see your answers. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here for you. Thank you. Bye.